Vocabulary words, English Tagalog translation. First one, diversity, pagkakaiba-iba. Next, primarily, pangunahin, bribe, suol. Collusion, sabwatan. Conforms, umaayon. Blatant, lantaran. Precisely, tiyak. Management, pamamahala. Certainty, katiyakan. Advantage, kalamangan. Victory, tagumpay. Policy, patakaran. Compliance, pagsunod. Fulfillment, katuparan. Courtesy, kagandahang loob. Necessary, kinakailangan. Rarely, i-comment mo sa baba. See you there! Thank you for watching. Have a great day!